Beehives are often drawn simply, a cylinder with stripes. But what if we want to make them more interesting? Perspective can help. By understanding how objects appear from different angles, we can create realistic and engaging beehive drawings. Perspective adds depth. It makes drawings look three-dimensional. We can almost step into the scene. Let's explore three types of perspective: 1 point, 2 point, and aerial. 1 point perspective uses a single vanishing point. Imagine looking down a straight road. The road seems to narrow in the distance. It meets at a point on the horizon. That's our vanishing point. To draw a beehive in 1 point perspective, first, draw a horizon line. This represents eye level. Place your vanishing point on this line. Now, draw a rectangle. This is the front of your beehive. Draw lines from each corner of the rectangle. These lines should converge at the vanishing point. These lines will help you shape the sides of the beehive, creating the illusion of depth. 2 point perspective uses two vanishing points. This gives objects even more volume. Think of standing on a street corner. Buildings stretch away from you in two directions. To draw a beehive in 2 point perspective, start with a vertical line. This represents the nearest edge of the beehive. Place your vanishing points on the horizon line, one on each side of the vertical line. Now draw lines from the top and bottom of the vertical line to each vanishing point. Lightly sketch in the sides of the beehive using these lines as guides. Notice how the beehive looks more three-dimensional. Aerial perspective shows how things look from above. Imagine you're a bird soaring over a field. Objects farther away appear lighter and less detailed. That's aerial perspective. To create aerial perspective in your beehive drawing, use lighter values and less detail for beehives in the distance. Objects closer to the viewer should be darker and more detailed. You can also use cooler colors for distant objects and warmer colors for closer objects. By mastering these perspective techniques, you can bring your beehive drawings to life. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your own unique style.